In this video, I'm going to show you how you can highlight text in WordPress. So this tutorial is for a WordPress.com website. So if we go over to WordPress.com, simply log into your account with your username and your password and so on. And from the left-hand menu, you want to select either your post or your pages. So for example, if you want to add a new post, simply click Posts, then click Add New Post. If you want to edit an existing post, select it from the list, then click on the three dots on the right hand side and then select Edit. So if you want to highlight any piece of text, it's quite simple. You can either highlight the actual text, so you can change the color of the text, or you can highlight the background so it sticks out more. So to do this, simply use your touchpad or your mouse and then select the text you want. So you want to hold down the left key on your touchpad or your mouse and then drag it until it becomes highlighted in the blue color. Then you can click on the little box up here. So you want to click on the arrow and then you want to click highlight. So you have two options. You can either highlight the actual text or you can highlight the background. So if you want to highlight the text, you can select the color from the bottom, or you can click on this panel here and you can select the color of your choice. So if I want to select the red color, select red. I can then release that. You can now see that that text has been changed to a red color. So if I want to highlight the background, again, select the text you want by holding down the left key and highlighting it. Then click on the arrow, then click highlight again, and this time click background. And again, you can choose a color. So I'm going to go for a yellow color. Then you can release, and you can now see that color is changed yellow. So if I update that, and I can now view my post, you can see that the red text has been highlighted and the background has been highlighted in the yellow color. So that's it. If you want to undo it, it's the same kind of process. So go back to your edit page. And this time again, simply select the text you want. So I can select that there. Then click the little click down box, select highlight. So I'm going to choose clear. That's now been cleared. Again, select the text here, click the box, select the background and click clear. And that's now gone, and you can update that. And that should be gone if you look at it again. And that's it. So that's how you can highlight text. Thanks for watching.